This might be the easiest chicken recipe ever. First, get your chicken, you want to season it on all sides, get that on the grill at 450, lock it in, flip it after 10 minutes. After another 10 minutes, give it a light coat of barbecue sauce. I'm using Carolina style. Give that another 3 to 5 minutes on both sides. Get that off the grill, let it sit for a few minutes, and you're going to have the juiciest smoked chicken I've ever had. Final grade, this is super cheap, very easy, tastes good. Overall, 2 stars. Follow along for more recipes.